To give a quick summary of my research first, I've been designing an EEG, or electroencephalogram, that costs much less while working just as well, if not better, than current solutions in terms of versatility and user-friendliness. So for the context, my supervisor, Crystal, is studying teaching methods and how they affect learning by using an EEG to measure factors that are correlated with learning, such as student attention and engagement. However, the current EEG that we're using, and this is the model right here, it's the OpenBCI Ultra Cortex Mark IV, and it isn't exactly the best one that we found for the job. So it has a couple of flaws. First, it's large and heavy, which makes it hard to move around and uncomfortable to wear. Second, the frame is made out of rigid plastic, so it doesn't really adapt to different sizes and shapes of heads much. And then it's also really expensive. So the board here, which processes all the data, costs $500 US, whereas the rest of this costs 350, and that's over 1,000 Canadian dollars per set, which is way more than we can afford. So then, therefore, the purpose of this project was to create an EEG that could satisfy the needs of this research study and those like it. So then to start the study, I first came up with some high-level objectives and then went into different metrics, measuring systems, criteria, and constraints. So the main objectives that I focused on this summer were manufacturability, such as whether tools were needed in the assembly, and 3D printing considerations, such as overhang angle, hole diameters, and misprint tolerance. Cost, which was the amount of money we needed to purchase all the materials and manufacture the EEG. Usability, which encompasses how easy the EEG is to move around and how easy it is to set up. And then versatility, which is whether it could adapt to different head shapes and electrode position requirements. So then if you're interested in reading further, I have this link here, and that just leads to a PDF with a full list of associated, as well as the different sources that support it. Design for this project was iterative.